a victim in Uniben campus main gate led us into actions as in going around the environs of football. And during our operations, we were able to apprehend some suspected persons anyway, not actually connected to the act, but we have to profile them, so we handed them over to the police for proper profiling. Led us to this very house that you see behind me, where persons were forcefully initiated into a cult group and seized. They were held against their will, kept here. This information got to the men of the ROT, who quickly swift into actions on getting to these premises to carry out their arrest. They actually confirmed that persons were held victims here